major things that new designers struggle with is driving traffic to their stores. Like if you have tried selling SVG cut files, you know how difficult it is to get continuous, consistent monthly sales. Like you have no social media strategy, you don't know how to advertise through Facebook groups, you don't know what hashtags to use, you have 0 email subscribers, you have no knowledge of SEO, you don't know how to write product descriptions like copywriting, you have no idea about that, and you don't have a blog either to do the promotion for you. And that's why a lot of designers, when they're not making any sales, they get demotivated and they just end up they just give up on their dreams of making money from selling SVG files. Like there are some reasons, like sometimes the designs are not good, the designs are very basic, and these are some reasons. But then again, even if your designs are on point, even if your designs look pretty good, it's really hard to get those sales because you don't have that audience. You don't have people, pre-primed people to sell to. And if there's no audience, you can't obviously make sales, no matter how good your designs are. And I know how hard it can be, because you not only have to master the designing, you also have to master this process of marketing, the process of selling, because these are two different things. Like in a business, you first need to create outstanding product, but that's not just one thing. You also need to have outstanding marketing. You also need to have all these strategies in place to get the word out. Because if you don't do that, your product is obviously not going to sell on its own. It's not a vacuum. You need to have a couple of number of people to sell to. Only then you're going to be able to make money out of that. But so just designing is not enough. And if you've tried selling SVGs, you know how true that is. Like you've been designing for a couple of months and you're just stuck at, 10 to 13 sales. And it's difficult. I can understand how difficult it is, because even if you upload your designs, you don't see consistent sales because your marketing is not on point. You don't have all those social media strategies. You don't know how to build your email subscribers. You don't know how to build your Facebook group to promote your products to people so that they can buy from you. But for my clients, I noticed that this is not a problem, because they first and foremost have access to my audience of more than 200K followers on Instagram, on Facebook, on my email list. And for the first few months, they don't even have to worry about building their audience. They can just focus on designing. And once they start getting a good amount of sales, they can start building their audience following the strategies that I share in the program. Like that's why I've designed the program to be completed in 12 months, because first 30 days, you learn everything about designing. You learn how to look for designs that people actually want to buy, using numbers, using strategies that are tried and tested. And I show you how to look at the numbers, so that you're just not making decisions based on emotions, but based on the stats. So, and in the first couple of months, I just make sure that my clients focus on designing and uploading their designs in the shop without having to worry about getting the traffic, because I'm there to provide them the traffic. So this is the reason why all of my clients get a ton of sales right after they launch their shop. Like One of my clients, within 18 days of launching her shop, she got 14 sales. How cool is that? And I just checked her shop like yesterday or something, and she already has like around 30 sales in her shop. And she just launched like a couple of weeks ago, probably not even a month. And this is the amazing thing. When you have all this support, you make sales right away. When you have this pre-primed audience ready to buy your files, the moment you launch your store, you start getting sales. And once they start getting consistent sales, I have the process where I highlight, where I share how to build their own audience. So by the time they finish the program, they already have their audience, pre-made audience to sell to, and they won't need my audience there to build the business. And I've designed my program in a way to help boost my clients' confidence so that when they're just starting out and also gradually learning to build their own audience without compromising on sales. Like, it can be very disheartening and very stressful if you're just starting out and you don't see any sales. You feel like your designs are not worth it. Nobody wants to buy. But seeing the immediate boost in sales, like seeing all those sales coming in right away you launch your shop, it just kicks you. It just gives you all this boost, the positive boost. Like, oh my God, people actually want to buy my designs. I actually got these many sales in just this amount of time. This really works. So it gives you an instant kick to keep going forward, compared to when you're just working alone and you don't know what to design, you don't know how to get sales, and all those, you're just stuck in that position. And this is the reason so many of my clients have gotten sales right after launching their shops, because the program and the support takes out a lot of pressure and makes it 10 times easier to build the SVG business, especially for those who are working a full-time job and have a very limited number of hours in their days. And this is why SVG Superstar Coaching Program is worth so much money. Like right now, I am completely undercharging. This program is worth like $15K because you get all this amazing support, which is not available anywhere else on the internet. The support you receive is completely unmatched. It's designed to give you the results in the quickest and the easiest way possible, so you can work on your business without compromising other aspects of your life, without losing your sanity, without losing your time, without wasting your time looking at YouTube videos, trying to figure out how to export the file, how to package the file, how to market the file, and all those stuff, getting frustrated, getting stuck. Which brings me to the biggest announcement of the day, which is the price of SVG Superstar Coaching Program is going to increase next year. It will be $1,500 from 1st January 2022. New year, new price, because of all the amazing value that is packed in this program. So if you've been sitting on the fence, thinking about joining the program, this is your chance before the price goes up. Right now, the program is just $1,000, but starting from 1st Jan, the price will be $1,500, and there will be no exceptions made. And once you join the program, you'll learn how to design profitable SVG cut files that people actually want to buy. You'll learn how to stay on top of your design business. I'll share how to actually run a business instead of just doing it as a hobby, how to set up your whole entire workspace and everything, how to do it in a way that is an actual business, how to look for designs that people are actively searching for, so you're filling a gap in the market rather than just designing random stuff that generates no sales. and you'll learn how to present your designs in a professional manner to attract sophisticated customers. You'll learn how to market your design, and most importantly, you'll have access to my audience to help you get sales for 12 months while you build your own audience. So this is how you get sales right after you launch, because you have access to my audience, and I will do the promotion for you for the first couple of months, so that while you are building your audience, you also get sales. You don't get stuck in that phase where you're not making any sales. And let me show you how much money you can make in the next 12 months. If you join the SVG Superstar Coaching Program. So, first month, you're obviously not going to make any sales because you're just going to be learning how to design the cut files, how to use the software, how to set up your shop, and how to write your product descriptions, how to do the presentation and everything. But starting from the second month, you can expect around $30, then month 3 around $50, month 4 around $70, month 5 around $100, and then $150, $300, $800, $1,000, $2,000, $2,500, $3,000. By the end of the 12 months, you will have $10K from SVG cut files in your bank. I'm not making some crazy promises that you're going to become a millionaire in the next 12 months selling SVG cut files. No, that's not possible. This is a tried and tested method of making 10K from SVGs by just working 1 to 2 hours a day and having your full-time job on the side. So this is, the program is designed to help you get the results that you want, so that by the time you reach 2023, you are able to accomplish all your financial goals. So if your goal is to quit your job by 2023 or pay off your home loan by 2023 by making some extra cash, and if you want to upgrade your car, if you want to do a renovation, I don't know what your goal is behind starting this SVG business, but whatever your goal is, it's going to take some time to reach that goal, because it's not like a magic wand that you just wave and you start seeing dollars pouring like rain. It's going to take time. It's going to take time to build your business on the side while you're still working your full-time job. And the way this program is designed, it will help you in making 10K in the next 12 months by working minimum hours, 1 to 2 hours every day. That's the max you would need to put into the business. So you'd have to work at least 12 months to be able to achieve your financial goals. So if you are ready to get started, sign up for my free masterclass at jaff.svg.superstar and learn more about my coaching program and enroll before the year ends, so you can get it for $500 off at just $1,000. All right, so if you have any questions after this, you can pop them in the comments and I'll get back to you guys right away. All right, thank you so much for joining this live session. I hope you guys found it helpful, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.